Поехали.
Hello, my name is Alexander. I have about myself. I am in study in the Horodisha district at the faculty Famas. I am 18 years old. I have is a friendly big family. It is father, mother, older sister, and me. My father works as a driver. My mother as teacher at school, and my sister studies at the Institute of Fifth Course. Our household, we have cow, pigs, hens, rabbits, and ducks. I help my parents every day. I found cars and tractors.
Can you drive a tractor?
Yes, I drive a tractor.
Okay, and do you have some work experience working here in Gorodisha on agriculture farm or complex which you have here?
I have in the Horodisha farmers here.
Do you have experience?
Yes, I.
With which animals do you work before?
Не забуду.